This 2020 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 351A13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 8 inches in length and features a dark brown interior, sleeps 7, external shower, oven, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 351A13 is 13,201 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.